Hi, welcome to the University of North Carolina.
Welcome.
Thank you. Please have a seat. I understand you're here. You want to take calculus here at UNC?
Yes, I do.
That's great. Wonderful. We have an excellent calc program, even better than some of the schools 8 miles away. I'm just going to ask you a few basic questions to see if you can do well in calculus here, because we do start very fast.
All right.
Let's start with some basic things that we'd expect you to know. We're going to start with derivatives. All right, do you know what a derivative is? You're good with that? Okay.
I've done this before.
Yeah. All right. So let's think. What is the integral of 5? But not the integral. Sorry. What is the derivative of 5x squared?
The derivative of 5x squared is 10x.
Great. Excellent. All right. Let's go a little bit trickier. What is the derivative of 6x cubed plus 6?
6x cubed plus 6. 18x squared.
Excellent. Yeah, you really know your derivatives are doing well. One more derivative. 8x cubed minus 4x squared.
8x.
No. Remember, you've got to multiply the coefficient, the power times the coefficient. So it would be the derivative of 8x cubed.
Oh, so then you would do 3 times 8.
Yeah. So you get 24x and you would take 1 away from the power, so that would be 8x squared. And then you do that to the same one, which was 4x squared. What was
With 4x squared, that would be 8x.
Exactly. And then you put those together, so you get. All right. Well,
Well,
you know what
you put them together.
Yeah, you know what you're talking about. All right, let's move on to one more, to integrals, the other basic thing of calculus that we're going to expect you to know. Can you give me the basic integral? We're going to start with just regular integrals of 5. The integral of 5.
5x.
Yes. And can you give me the integral of 5x?
5x. 5x squared over 2.
Excellent. Now just remember, you need to keep adding those c's on the end, which I know.
Plus c.
Yeah, plus c. Always that constant on the end. You know why we do that?
Because it stands for calculus.
No, that's funny, but when we integrate, it's the opposite of deriving, and a derivative of a constant is 0. So we don't know if there's a constant at the end of the integral or not.
Oh.
Yeah, so we add the c on the end.
Calculus makes so much sense.
Yes, calculus is not as hard as you hear about it is in high school. So I think you'll do great here. I'm looking forward to teaching you.
All right.